Dear students, today we are going to continue exercise 13.2 of surface area and volume. So let us begin the class. Question number 8. A storekeeper has 10 huge almirahs where he can store packets of ready-made garments. The almirahs are 1.5 meter long, 1 meter deep and 2 meter high. How many packets of garments can be stored in the almirah if each packet measures 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter by 4 centimeter? Students, always to get the number of packets we have to divide the larger volume by the smaller volume, but we have here 10 almirahs. So first we have to find the volume of one almirah. For that we can see that here we have length, breadth and height and almirah are always in the cuboidal shape. Space occupied by one almirah is equal to, the formula is L into B into H, so 1.5 meter into 1 meter into 2 meter. So 15 to the is 30. So the answer is 3 meter cube for this product. Now space occupied by 10 such almirahs. Is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 meter cube. It is 30 meter cube. Now we should convert this meter cube into centimeter cube because the dimensions of each packet is given in centimeter. So to multiply meter cube into centimeter cube, we have to multiply it by 10 lakh. Because 1 meter has 100 centimeter. So 100, 100 and 100. 30 and 6 times zeros. It is the conversion into centimeter cube. Now, number of packets. Is equal to volume of 10 almirahs divided by volume of one packet is equal to 30 and 6 times zeros divided by this product will give you the volume of each packet. 25 by 20 by 4. 0 0 is cancelled. Now 2 15s are 30, 0 0 0 and a 0. Now 25 ones are 25 6 are 150. 1 2 3 4 4 times zeros. Now 4 15s are 60 and 3 zeros here. So the answer is 15,000 packets. Now question number 9. Fruit juice is packed in cuboidal packets of size 5 cm by 4 cm by 6 cm. Assuming that 1/6 of the box is empty, how much juice does each packet contain? Second question, how much juice has been packed in 100 such packets? So first we have to find the volume of one juice packet. volume of one packet is equal to, the formula is L into B into H. Using this we have 5 centimeter by 4 centimeter by 6 centimeter, 5 4 is 20 and 26 is 120. Now all were in centimeter, so centimeter into centimeter into centimeter gives you centimeter cube. Now the question says that 1/6 of the box is empty. So filled space means 1 denotes the full volume, and because 1/6 is empty, so we'll write here 6 minus 1, that is 5/6. It means that 5/6 the space is only filled. Now juice in container. Is equal to 5/6 multiplied by 120. 6 2s are 12 and 0, and it is 25 are 100 centimeter cube. Now since we know that one centimeter cube space may contain 1 liter of any liquid, so using the unitary method, for 1 centimeter cube it will contain 1/1000 liter, and next is this one, 100 centimeter cube. 100 centimeter cube, 1/1000 multiplied by 100, 00 cancelled, it is 1/10 liter. Now juice in 100 such packets is equal to 1/10 liter multiplied by 100. 0 is cancelled, and the answer is 10 liter. Now question number 10. 120 cans containing paint have a size 25 centimeter by 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter. The paint is transferred to smaller cans whose base measures 250 centimeter square area and height is 12 centimeter. How many cans are needed? So let us have the larger can. Its size is 25 by 25 by 20 in centimeter. This type of 120 cans we have, and the paint is to be transferred from this can to smaller cans. Whose base area is given 250 centimeter square and the height is given 12 centimeter. So let us solve the question. So let the number of cans required be n. So an equation will be formed here. Before that, let us write the let statement. Let the number of smaller cans required be n. Now, volume of smaller can multiplied by n number of cans is equal to volume of 120 cans. Now smaller cans can be denoted by L into B into H multiplied by N, and for 120 cans we have 120 multiplied by capital LBH. Now just we have to put the value and get the answer. Smaller can has the base area. L into B gives you the base area. So L into B will be replaced by 250 centimeter square. And the height is given 12 centimeter. And we have to find the value of N. For capital LBH we have 25 centimeter by 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Now N is equal to 120 multiplied by 25 into 25 into 20, and these two values will come down. 0 0 is cancelled. 25 25 is cancelled. 25 25 is cancelled. Now 25 2 is 50 with a 0. So the answer is 500 small cans.